This week's workout is going to be lots of core. We're also going to be doing a couple sets of push-ups, so get those arms ready. But you're going to feel stronger, your back's going to feel good, we'll work the glutes a bit. Come on, let's get started.
Starting session.
So first we're going to start with our centipedes part, warm up, but also an exercise. So stand at the back of your mat and you're going to walk it out and then take it back. So walking it out here, maybe walking the hands a little farther for a bit of a challenge. Take it back just to this point, keep the stretch on the hamstrings. So you can stay here and walk it farther and back. Get those shoulders warmed up for our push-ups. And back. Equal weight on both left and right hand. Just notice if you're favoring one side. A little bit longer. Maybe walk it out a bit more. Tighten the core. Okay, so you can stand it up. We're going to do a windmill burpee. So take the feet wide, and then you're going to windmill over to one side. Take it out to a plank here, and then back, and windmill other side. And back, windmill it wide. And back. And side. All the way. Keep it going a little bit longer. Okay, so come back down. We're going to do push-ups, but with a little bit of oblique work. So come on to your side. Then you're going to face the chest forward. Push up here. Press away. You're totally welcome to extend the legs. Today's more of a knee day for me. Here you go. Push. Belly faces to the side, chest is aiming down. Elbows go wide. Exhale to push away. Keep the breathing going. Don't hold your breath. Almost there. Okay, we gotta do it on the other side, so flip it over. Just get into that side plank position to start. Then face the chest to the floor and down. So you get a lot more work through one arm. Makes it harder. Make sure shoulders don't come up to the ears. Take them away from the ears. Working that chest, back, elbows, biceps, triceps, everything. Almost. What do we have? 5 seconds. Great. Okay, we'll leave the arms around alone for a bit. Come on down. Focusing on one side, we're going to do a hip lift. Leg is up. We're going to take the leg to the side, back center. Here we go. Side. And then just hover. Don't totally touch down. Stay on the same side. Keep the hips level. Don't tip your hips as the leg comes out. Good job. Anchor down through your shoulders. Back of the head pushes into the floor. You can do it. Okay, so we'll switch. Try to bring the heel pretty close to the behind. Extend your leg up. You can always keep a little bend. If your hamstrings are tight, press it up. Tilt it. Try not to tip. You really have to anchor down through the leg side that the heel's down. Anchor that shoulder down. Keep it going. Great job. Little bit longer, less than 10 seconds. Okay, perfect. So let's come on to our front. We're gonna do froggies. You take knees wide, heels together. Rest the forehead and knees stay out. Push the heels up to the ceiling, squeeze your behind. Trying to lift the thighs off, but even if it's only a centimeter, that's okay. Just make sure you squeeze your behind. Press the heels into each other. Try to turn your toes out. A little bit longer. Small move, but it's a hard move. All right, so now we'll flip onto our front and we're gonna do opposite arm leg reach. So start in that X position and then we're gonna reach cross here. Actually for this one, keep your heels lower and reach the upper body to the leg. It's good. Strong abs. Reach and twist. Fantastic. All right, I did mention sets of push-ups in plural. So we're gonna do a crocodile push-up. So you come down and this one your arms are wide and you're gonna push yourself up like that and then let it go. If you want it harder, like that. But arms are wide, this is the key. Fingers are out. Push up. Maybe you can try a few with the arms or the knees off. Maybe. See how you feel. Shoulders down and back. Spread the fingers. Tuck the belly to the back. Keep it going. This is our last one. All right. Great job. I'm glad you did it. I will see you next week.